Imagine you are using Omegle. You tap here but your camera doesn't work because the app is made with WebView. Actually, WebView automatically denies all web permissions, including camera access. So we need to prevent this. First, open the manifest file and add internet permission, since it's required to load websites. Then add camera permission, which is the main thing here. Next, add users feature. This helps devices know about the required features before the app is installed. Now let's add a web view to the layout. Next, we need to initialize the web view. I'm using ByLazy, a special feature in KOTLIN. Then I'll use apply on the web view. Just add a new web view client and enable JavaScript. Finally, I'll search for an online camera test using Google. We need to use Web Chrome client, which is crucial for managing permissions. Let's override the onPermission request. The super method automatically denies permissions, so we need to remove this part. But just removing it won't allow camera permission. The website will go into a waiting state for the permission, so we need to accept the permission ourselves. To do this, check if the website is asking for camera permission. I mean capture video permission. If so, we will request access to the camera at the hardware level. To request camera access on the device, I'll use a launcher. Granted means the user has allowed our app to use the mobile's camera. Okay, now let's add a variable for permission request. We will store the main permission request object of the website here. We can simply use apply here. If the user has allowed our app to use camera, we will allow the website to use the camera as well. Otherwise, we will simply deny the permission to prevent the website from entering a waiting zone. But don't forget to store the object in the variable. Okay, let's test the app. It's working, but it would be better if there was a dialog or prompt for allowing or denying the permission, right? Since we are in lazy mode and KOTLIN offers lazy initialization, let's just use it. Positive button is the grant button. When the user clicks it, the dialog will be dismissed. And the website will get the permission. The negative button is the deny button. Clicking it will simply dismiss the dialog and deny the permission to the website. If the permission is granted, just show the dialog. That's it. By the way, I made a browser without using WebView. If you want to watch it, just click here.